So today I'd like to do a quick review of this mini PC by Kamrui. This is an interesting piece of gadget. It comes with 8 GB of RAM and 256 GB of HD hard drive. So that's how it looks when you open it up the first time. And look how tiny this guy is. I'm going to quickly unpack everything. I'm going to show you how it looks, and then we'll try to connect it to these older monitor. Specifically both cables for that, because it comes with HD cable, but the cable that it comes with is not compatible with my monitor, so I had to buy DVI to HDMI cable. So this is the cord, that's the HDMI cable, that's the manual, and that's the plate that you attach on the mini PC itself so that you can put it on the back of the monitor if it supports it. It comes with all the necessary screws, as you can see here. Okay, so we're almost ready. I'm going to take it out of the package and we'll be able to go. So that's the brand name. So that's how it looks. Comes with Intel inside. So here you have two USB ports. Not sure. I think it's also USB. That's the power button. That's for the micro SD if you would like to, have bigger memory. There's the HDMI ports. Also, if you want to have the LAN internet, power cable, power cord. And let's connect and see how it works. So I just connected it, so I'm going to use it and I'll let you know how it works. Thank you for your time.